Hey everybody, this is Aaron Bradley, and what I'm going to show you today is how to create a new blog post by using the Easy Money training system. Now what you're going to do is just go ahead and log into your empowernetwork.com and just click log in and start blogging, and then you'll come to this right here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and just create add new post. Alright, well just go ahead and open up a new tab, and we're just going to here go to easymoneytraining.com. Now, Mike Hobbs, every day, he's going to upload a new prosperity assignment. And that's what you're going to want to look for, because that is that's your guideline for the day. It's going to tell you exactly what you need to do. Now, we'll just go ahead and we'll just do this prosperity assignment right here on self-love. Now, I fully recommend you going through and reading every bit of it before you post it. Don't just be one of them people that just copies and pastes. At least kind of know what your blog content is about. And this one's about self-love. And if you'll just scroll on down after you read everything, watch the videos and everything, you'll come to this part where it says bonus done for you content. And this is where the assignment's going to start. If you'll just, let's see here, we'll just copy, whoops, let's see here, exit off of that. We'll just copy this. I did it again. Let's see here. If you'll just copy that right there and then come back to your blog post, and we're just going to paste it right there. That is the beginning of your blog post. And we're going to title this like it was titled, which was self-love, and just we're going to click right here. Now go ahead and save this draft just in case it was to get deleted or lost or somehow whenever you're clicking off of it. Alright, now what we're going to do here, just click right there. We're going to go back to self-love. Now you see this picture right here? We're going to upload that into the post. So you're going to scroll on down below all that where it says images. On the top right image, what we're going to do is, see here, we're going to save this link right here. Let's see here, we're just going to save that right there, and we're going to go back into your blog post. Now what you're going to do here is you're going to click on add media, and it hasn't been uploaded yet, so we're going to click on upload files. We're going to just click select files right here, and let's see here, we're going to scroll on down into, let's see here, let me find it right here, see, downloads, where did it store? It's going to be this one right here. Alright, and you should see it pop up, and there it is right there. We're going to click on that, and over here, that's just your title of it and everything. Let's see here, we're going to want that on the right hand side of the page like it was in the blog, and just make sure it's listed under thumbnail, that way it's not too big, and then we're just going to click insert in the post. Now it should appear just right there like that. And what we're going to go ahead and do with this picture, just in case somebody clicks on it, just make it go ahead, and that way it'll link into your website. We're just going to go ahead and just click on that picture right there. We're going to click on this little chain link right here, and right there you should see where it says that right there. But yours might not say that right there. It'll probably just say something about HTTP and then just / / Well, we're going to go to log into your dashboard at easymoneynetwork.com, and you're going to go in there. Alright, now click Business Center, and where you created the Easy Money Formula site, you should scroll down and see Capture Page. Just click on that, and you should just have that right there with your username at the end in it. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to, let's see here, we're going to copy that whole thing right there, that whole URL. Just going to copy that right there, and we're going to go back into your post, and we're going to, let's see here, we're going to click back on the chain link. Let's see here, and yours is going to look different. What you're going to do is you're going to paste that link that you just copied in right there. And what that is going to do right there, just click open link in new window tab. What that's going to do right there is if somebody clicks on that page, it's going to take them straight to your sign up page just if they click on that. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and knock down a couple lines, and because your video is next, I'm just going to type something like insert video here. Just enter down a couple more lines, and just go back into where the prosperity assignment is. Alright, now you can't just take and copy this video and put it in there. It won't work like that, and it will not play. It'll just show the picture of this 9 times out of 10. What we're going to do is, if you scroll on down to where it says videos right here, you just click on this right here, and it's going to pull up a different link.
Badass Women's Lounge.
It's going to show this chick and her video. Now, like I said, I recommend watching the whole thing. That way you know what every single video is about, and you're not just posting it. Well, you're going to come down here and click share, and then you're going to click embed, and you're going to copy this whole thing right here. And don't worry, I know this might seem overwhelming copying this whole thing, but you're not going to have to do nothing but paste this right here. So we're just going to copy that right there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go back to your blog site. And go ahead and save your draft. Just that way none of that gets lost or anything. And we're going to click text now. Just click text, and where it says insert video here, we can just highlight that, and you're going to paste what you just copied right there. So that's what it is right there. Now go ahead and click save draft before you click back over to visual. You just want to just keep saving draft. That way you know nothing ever happens. So click visual. Now you should see this right here. You see that big yellow box. Well, you're just going to enter down below it. That means your video uploaded in there right. Now, if we go back to the prosperity assignment and scroll back up, what you're going to see is that's it. You just about have completed everything. Now, what you see down below here is you can also copy and paste that. No problem. I mean, you can copy that right there and put it right in your blog. What I'll show you here, we'll just go ahead and do it. You can copy that right there, and then paste that right there, and that's it. And then let's go ahead and we'll just enter down below that. Go back to your prosperity assignments, and there's your prosperity team button. And what I recommend you doing is, that way none of this ever, I mean, it just makes it simpler on everything. If we just, here, I'll show you what I did. What I have done is, in my, let's see here, in my post that I've done, every single one of them, what I have done is I have already created a signature. Now what a signature is like on this prosperity assignment, it's pretty much from there down to there, and then you have your image of you, your name, and then you can have your phone number, your email, or just whatever website you want them to go to. Alright, and on here, what I did was I just created a new post, and I titled it signature, and all I did was just save it to the drafts, because you don't want to post that. I mean, you just want to keep it so you have it. And what I did here is I just went in, and after you create it, I mean, it just makes things that much simpler. You just don't have to go in and create a new signature every single day. What I did was I just went ahead, took the time out of one day, and if you would like, you can copy what I did and just use my signature if you want. But what your signature does, I mean, it pretty much identifies who you are. Like, let's see here. There's my register now button. You click that button, you're going to go to my site. Um, if you enjoyed today's post, please like and share this page so someone else can benefit. There's the picture of me and my lovely girlfriend right there, and there's my name right there, my username, my email address, my blog and site's email address, and then right here down below, I created a PS and then another register now. But now after you do that, that way you can just go in, like I said, when you're creating your blog post, you can just copy this, make it 3 times as fast. Just copy that right there, all right, and you don't have to worry about losing that because, I mean, it's already a draft. You're not going to lose it. So if you just go back to all post, let's see, let it load up here, and the one was on was self-loves. It's saved in the draft, and we're going to click edit. Now what we're going to do here is, let's see here, since I already had mine right there, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste my signature down below it. There it is. See, so now we have everything uploaded. You got let's see here. You got what it said to copy above it. We got our picture in there. We got our video in there. And then I got my whole signature down below it, my register now button. I mean, you got everything you need right here. Now what we're going to do is, all we're going to have to do now is well, just type in just put it under personal development is what I recommend, because it's just, I mean, this is what it is. It's personal development, self-love. And what tags we could put in it, we could let's see here what we could do. Let's see here, we could just title it as well, heck, a tag could be, we could just make a tag self-love, or let's see, self-love, loving yourself, confidence, just stuff like that. Here, we'll just do that right there. And whatever you put in this right here, make sure you copy and go back to the top of the page, and we're going to paste it under SEO keyword right there. Now, what we're going to do here is we're just going to save this draft one more time. So that it's saved. And then let's see here. You always preview your post before you publish it. That way you make sure nothing's extremely crazy with it. And if we just go to preview post right here, boom, there it is. There's self-love, what you titled it. I mean, there's the video right there. We click on the video,
Badass Women's Lounge,
and there it works right there. There's the picture you have right there. They click on it, boom, it's going to your web. It's going to your well, that page that let's see here, your capture page is what it is. It goes straight to that. And then we got, all that I created below it. See, from here down was my signature that I have already created. And like I said, if you would like to use it and take ideas from it, please feel free to. And now we have it all set to go there. And see here, let me just go ahead and just minimize that again. And back when you're in on this, everything looked great to me. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and publish this right now. All right, let it publish. Boom, it's posted. Let's go ahead and click View Post right here. All right, there it is right there, the whole thing. And up here it should say, Empower Network, your username, blog, and then it should say the title of it, and it's self-love, so we're on the right one. All right, now what we're going to go ahead and do, what I fully recommend you doing, is we'll just open up a new tab. And here's one of my favorite sites. Let's go to Pingler.com. Alright, just going to log in here, and if you want to, you can go ahead and just use the free version. I mean, nothing's wrong with that. If you go ahead and create an account under them, I think it's like $2 and something a month, or you can get the for $2 a month, you can get 25 URLs stored in it, 25 blogs you can store in it, And for the $5 and something version, you can, I believe it store 50 different URLs in it. And what that does is you can save the URLs in there. That way Pingler itself will automatically send it out every 3 days, your URL. So I mean, say you created a URL or a blog post, let's see, say a month ago, it's still going to send it out every 3 days without you having to get on and do it for you. It's automatic. Well, if you just want to do the free version, which is perfectly fine, I mean, you'll generate a ton of leads off of that. We'll just go back to your blog post where it says, you know, which blog it is. You know, ours was self-love, of course. And you're going to want to copy that whole URL right there. All right. Now we're just going to go back to Pingler and we're going to post it in the URL right there. All right. There it is. All right. And title of what the title is, you know, that was the title of your article. And ours was on self-love, of course. All right. Now, what we always need to do, just always store it under business. That way, everybody can, you know, it's going to be a business thing because you're also promoting the Easy Money Network deal. And let's just, I mean, you can pick up to 3. So let's just scroll down here. Loving yourself. We got free services, hobbies. I mean, you can do it under anything. I mean, anything that relates to it. Online business, you can store it under other, religion, telecommunications, travel, I mean wellness. You can store it under wellness if you would like. And see here, if we scroll on down, of course enter this, I guess make sure you're a human being or something. And let's see here, just click ping right there. And boom. I mean, you just submitted it. It's 83. I mean, it's just sending it out there under all them things. And if you just sit here, I mean, it'll sit there and show you all the different search engines it's put it out there in, or you can enter your email address and it'll send you a report of everywhere it went. But that's one, and that's the way to create it and put it out there on Pingler. And let's see, if you would like, let me go ahead and if you have a Facebook, well, there it went and loaded it. Say thanks for the ping, succeeded. I mean, it all went through on all those search engines. Look at that. That simple and for free. No problem. All right, now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to also show you, if you have Facebook or Twitter, how to get it out there. Now, what Facebook did, it's got so many people just trying to promote Empower Network, and what it is, Facebook has a tendency to try to block it. But don't worry, if you go through www.linkprosperity.com, what this is, I mean, it's created actually by Empower Network, by the Prosperity team. They did this so it would shorten up everything, and it would also put it on Facebook without it getting blocked or anything. And what we got here is you got your URL slug, destination URL. Now, do you remember that URL we put on Pingler? The URL that was this one right here, to your blog on self-love. So we're going to copy that again, and we're going to take that one more time and we're going to put it right in that box right there. Alright, and URL slug, what that is that's just, I mean, that's, just put your title in there. Make sure you put a, you know, just a hyphen there. Self love was the name of it. And what we're going to do is, we'll just put one more there. And we're going to go down to page title. Page title, like I said, that was the name of your blog, which was self-love. Page description. Now, if you'll watch the video and everything, the page description is going to be what your blog is about, what the video is about, or anything like that. So, of course, our video was on self-love. It was, let's see, page description in this video or blog which we'll just do video, we learn about how important self-love is and can affect us. Just like that, just something basic right there. And down here in this EN username, what you're going to do is your username for Empower Network, you're going to enter it there. And mine, of course, AB Bradley. And then you're just going to, right here, you're going to click shorten link. And right here, boom. It created you a new link just like that quick. Now, what we're going to do is we're just going to click, let's go ahead and copy this right here. Command C. Let's see here. We'll go ahead and we'll just put it on Facebook right here. Looks good. Go ahead and log in. So go ahead right here. Alright. Now, as soon as you click share this link on Facebook, it's going to pop it up just like this. And what we're going to do right here is you're just pretty much going to write, just what you're putting out there, okay? Just kind of write up a neat little article to try to catch people's attention and get them wondering, hey, what is this all about? What we're going to do is we're just going to, let's see, we're just going to write, do you know the importance of self-love? Just something basic. You ain't got to go all Nancy Pantsy and write all these colons and stars and try to get people, just something like, do you know the importance of self-love? Just self-love can help you have a total outlook and can help you than anything. Look at there. Wow. Okay, I mean it, yeah, it sounds probably kind of corny, but hey, it'll work. You'll get better with just being able to come up with something like that as you do this. And just, do you know the importance of self-love? Self-love can help you have a total outlook. Let's see here. We'll just change this up. A greater outlook on life, and can help you perform greater than you could ever imagine. And then we're just going to write down below that, we're just going to write check it out here. And we'll just go on down below that, and that URL I told you to copy, let's see here, that one that was right here, this in Link Prosperity, just going to recopy that right there. I'm going to go back, let's see here, back to your Facebook, and you're going to want to paste that right there. Now right below that, just write, just your little signature, or just write to your success, or please like and share, to your success. Let's see here, my username may be Bradley. Here, let's go ahead and just write, I hope you enjoy. Please feel free to like and share. Just like that. Boom. Now all you got to do now is click share link. And that just went out on my Facebook. Just like that. Now we'll just go ahead and I'll show you how it's on my Facebook. Let's see here. See, go back into Facebook. See here. Boom, there it is right there. Now, if the greatest way to get your stuff out there, join every internet marketing group you can come up with. Just start typing in names, network marketing, make money online, just any group you can become a member of on Facebook. Now, to put that out there on that also, after you've done created this, what you can do is you can click see more, like I just did, and you can, oops, what you can do is you can copy from, not that video, but just like that. We'll just copy that right there. What we're going to do is go to your groups, which, like I said, I got a ton of them. Let's just say this home-based business group I'm a member of. What you can do is right there, we're just going to paste what you just did right there, and see, even though we didn't copy that right there, it showed up below it. Don't try to copy that. Just leave that and just copy from there up like in your other articles. And now if we just click post, wow, this whole group now can see every bit of that. That's simple. Now, Twitter's basically the same way. I mean, it's just simple to post to. Now, if you don't have a Twitter, that's fine. Now, I recommend getting a Twitter. You know, it's just an extra way to generate traffic. And that's exactly what you're trying to do. Is generate traffic, get access to people, social networks, to get people into this program and to buy your products, of course. Now, this is under my name, and we'll just right there. That's going to be your link to your blog site. Just say something like, hey guys, let's see here. Hey guys, I just updated a new blog about self-love. Come check it out. And then I'm going to have that below it. And then you can just go ahead and post that out, or to just hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoy, and then let's see here, your username or your full name, just however you want to put it, and just go ahead and send that tweet out. And that has just been posted to Twitter. You have just posted to groups on Facebook. Like I said, when you get on Facebook, gain as many groups as you can become, as they'll let you in. And I mean, you can see I just created a ton of them. I mean, just go to I Need Money, Passionate Online Marketing. Just start typing in just random group names, and you'll be amazed at what you can find. Become part of every single one of them, and you can just post your stuff to all of them. And that is a great way to generate traffic. And that's basically all there is to it. You just put it out on Pingler and Twitter and Facebook. And if you're on LinkedIn.com, a member of that, which is a social network also, I fully recommend that. And or if you want to post a free ad to Craigslist, you know, that's a way to generate it also. But this is just how I was going to show you how to get started. And hope you enjoy, and let's get to making some money.